Alright, welcome to Chinatown, San Francisco. We're just gonna do a quick little walkthrough. This is a Sunday around noon time, and let's just do a quick walkthrough and see the shops. I've definitely made videos like this before, like walking through Chinatown, but it looks really did now. It looks like a shop owner right there. These streets are empty, guys. It's like two tourists in front of me. Some cars driving through. This is the touristy part of Chinatown. Don't worry, we're gonna go to the more local part, Chinatown, the more local neighborhoods. I don't think they're gonna be that busy either, because a lot of people are just staying indoors and stuff like that. Wow, I see like really no one out. Now don't get me wrong, there is rain in the forecast today. It was raining earlier. I went to the supermarket around 8 a.m. and it was raining like crazy. And I got pretty wet. Actually, my feet got really wet. Shops are empty. It's a pretty cool show. Check that out. Oh no, it looks like a chick shirt. Oh my gosh, it's so sad to see everything changing so fast, you know? I mean, it's almost like silent almost. You know, usually there's someone playing music on the street, you hear some cars honking, you just hear some people screaming, like you just hear things, but now the only thing I hear is my voice talking and cars driving by. Yes, some music. Let's get this guy a tip or something. Where is my cashier? Try not to edit this video. This guy's good. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. I mean, come on, you gotta help the guy out. There's like no one else walking through here, you know? Oh my gosh. Is this the rain? Is the rain coming? Is the rain gonna run me away? Just my luck, it'll start pouring right now. I guess I'll have to hang out in Chinatown. Chinatown is empty, yo. This place is completely empty. Maybe I should go in there and see if they have that cooking bacon sheet thing I was looking for. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's crazy. You have baking thing that's like bendy baking.
We do have a baking pan, but only for cakes.
Yeah, but you have the soft one?
No, we don't. We don't see how the silicone one. No.
Oh, you know what I'm talking about though?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Silicone, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Some nice artwork. Oh, these streets. Usually these streets be packed, yo. You can't even walk through here. But like I say, this is not true Chinatown here. This is the tourist part of Chinatown. The true Chinatown is we go up one block, up Clay. That's gonna be like the for real Chinatown. That's what we're gonna do. We'll just go up Clay right now. So I really wanna check it out. Clay. Just one block and we'll be at Stockton Street. That's where all the action is. Man, these are some hills around here. They say Chinatown is hilly. No joke about that. I should go through here and then go left. Yeah, Chinatown, San Francisco. It's a ghost town too. It's like a lot of places that are not even open. Like they're like, hey, you know, we have to drive from like Fremont or Richmond. And we're gonna drive all the way out there and it's not gonna be busy. We'll just close. But also when you don't have people coming to the city, it's like some businesses, they thrive off of people just coming to the city to spend money, you know? And when you don't have people coming to the city, things start to change real quick. Like real quick. Not that many homeless people in Chinatown. It's one good thing I must point out about Chinatown. Like you don't really see too many homeless people in Chinatown. I mean, some neighborhoods you see more homeless people than other neighborhoods, for sure. It look thick up here, yo. I think they still moving around on this street. I mean, it's just to the point where, like, you know, people gotta eat, so what are you gonna do? Everybody can't order Amazon Prime because Amazon Prime is like sold out right now. I was looking for rice yesterday. This would probably be the place to come to find some rice. Some fish. Yeah, looks like it's still popping over here. Got his bike covered up. This is where they're building a new train station to connect Chinatown to downtown. You know, there's more people than I thought I would see down here. There's actually quite a bit of people. But like I say, it's like people gotta eat, and a lot of people in Chinatown, they eat like fresh food. Like they don't eat canned goods and they don't eat that type of stuff. They eat like fresh stuff. They get their food, they cook it themselves. Some Chinese TV going there. So that's how a lot of these that's how a lot of people are in this neighborhood. They just buy fresh they eat a lot of fresh food here. You know, they eat a lot of cooked food that they cook themselves. So I mean, people got to move around to eat around here. If we go on lockdown, I don't know. I guess things will be different. I would imagine maybe these people probably got stock canned goods at home. You know, like if you've lived in the same place for like 20 years or 10 years, like a lot of people have here, you probably have, you know, a decent amount of like canned goods and stuff like that to hold you through some time. But it's all the new people who just moved recently. Those are the people that are screwed because, you know, you move with 2 suitcases and a backpack and something like this happens and you don't have any food because you just moved there recently. This market's pretty lit. This is like the spot, yo. Look at those oranges. They actually look really good. I think I'm gonna grab a couple of those oranges. All right, so there we got it. Little quick walkthrough of Chinatown. SF. That's what's going on right now. Not too much going on right now. I'm about to turn around and head back to Union Square, but I'll see you guys later. I just want to make a little quick video walking through Chinatown. I'll see you guys. Peace out.